Hey there, future web developers. In our last lesson, we learned how to create tables and organize data neatly in our portfolio. But what's a website without some cool images? Today, we'll learn how to add images to make our portfolio look more amazing. Let's get started. In HTML, we use the IMG tag to add images. Unlike other tags, IMG is a self-closing tag, which means it doesn't need a closing tag. Let's look at the basic syntax. Here src or source attribute is used to tell the browser where to find the image, and alt attribute is an alternate text in case the image doesn't load. It also helps with accessibility. Let's add an image to our portfolio website. I have created a folder named Images inside my website folder and save my profile picture here. You can also see it in the left panel of Notepad++. Inside our main folder is an images folder, where our image file is saved. Let's add IMG tag under our heading. Inside the source attribute, we will write folder name /bitsy.png. Extension of file is very important. Inside alt attribute, we will write a text description what this image is for. Refresh the browser and see it in action. Hooray! You have added your first image on your website. You can also set width and height of your image using width and height attributes. Now let's write wrong file name. For example, just add 1. So the browser will find bitsy1 file inside the images folder which is not there. So the image will not load, and instead of image the alt text will be displayed. As discussed earlier, we can use relative and absolute paths for the source of the image file. If the image is stored in your project folder, use a relative path like we did images/profile.jpg. If it's from another website, use the full absolute URL. Did you know you can turn images into links? Just wrap the image tag inside an anchor tag. Let's convert our links in the navigation menu into clickable images. For this I am going to use absolute paths. That means I am not going to download any image, instead I will be using it from the internet. So I am going to Clipart Mac's website. Here you can search for any image. I am searching home icon. Select any image you like and click it. You can find the image absolute path down here. I am selecting the small size image and copy whole tag. Now paste it on home text inside the navigation menu. I am changing the alt attribute text here and writing home icon. Refresh the page and see it in action. Oops, it's there, but isn't it looking too big? Let's give it a width and height of 20 pixels to make it smaller. Now seems perfect. Let's copy the whole image tag and paste it on all other pages instead of home text. See it in action. It's working fine and navigating us to home page on clicking it from all other pages. Let's do the same thing for About Me link. I am finding profile icon for it. You can select any icon or image of your choice. You can also download the image inside the images folder and give a relative path. It's all up to you, buddy. I am going to select this icon so that it will be similar to home icon. You can select any. Let's give it the same height and width so that it will look same with the home icon. Copy-paste it on all other pages. Looking perfect, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Add an image for the project's link. You can use a folder or writing icon. You'll find the code in the resources link in the description. Post your questions in the comments. Great job! Now you know how to add images to your website, how to make an image a clickable link, and also how to use absolute paths. In the next lesson, we'll learn about forms in HTML, the key to collecting user input. See you there. Are you ready to start climbing the logic ladder with me? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our exciting lessons.